also practice pronunciation using the method Jolly Phonics. Song, should we sing? Hello, hello, what's your name? Hello.
Apart from English, what about the Spanish and Basque? How much time?
More. Okay, well.
I'm Ireland, I'm Irish, and in Ireland we have obviously a minority language which is Irish. So when I first arrived here I was very interested in how Basque was taught. A moment ago, he is going to explain a competition we participate in to increase our spelling, our reading. Can you tell these people a little bit about it?
We write the letters to our pen pals in 3 or 4 sequences. And we write the letters by hand, then
That is.
in spelling competition is like a tournament that a lot of kids of a lot of schools go to.
Good idea, I thought.
Yes, because I
Ongi etorri, hause da gure ikastola, gure jakintza, gure ametsak, zuei azalduta nola. Izan zirela, izan garata, izango da berrikuntza, zentzua eman, hor da gakoa, biharko zubi hazkuntza.
Basque, I knew it since I was young, but when I wanted to learn like English and Spanish like to an actual good level, you have to put like a lot of effort to it and a lot of hours.
Nagusia euskal kultura eta euskara sustatzea da. Azken batean tradizioak biziratzeko.
Ohitura horiek mantentzeko eta horretarako prestatzen ditugu hainbat antzerki, artelan, eskuraketak eta abar.
In our culture, and here in our school we do the oldest one like in high school, partner up with the youngest one to keep these traditions alive.
Que nosotros después en la vida real podamos coger libros de otras bibliotecas de nuestra zona municipal.
School, we have a small library, and this small library gives us the opportunity to read different books, and also it shows us how a real library.
We are going to give to you, it's a painting of Xavier Egaña, a very famous painter from the Basque Country. This is the painting, but we are going to give it to you in a smaller version.
Yes.
Because this is the big.
Thank you very much for your hospitality. I think it has been a very good experience.
you. Thank you very much.